What if I told you that doing almost nothing with your money could make you rich? No, seriously. And the banks definitely don't want you to know this. Meet Finn. This is Finn. He's a fox. He's clever, a little lazy, and he just got his first paycheck, $500. And instead of blowing it on cheese, which, by the way, is very tempting, Finn does something boring. He saves it. Now Finn puts his $500 in a basic savings jar. Every year, the jar gives him 10% back. That's $50. So after 3 years, Finn has $650. Cool. But wait, what if the jar could do something smarter? Enter compound interest. Instead of always paying Finn 10% of the original $500, the jar now pays 10% of whatever's in the jar. So year 1, $500 becomes $550. Year 2, $550 becomes $605. Year 3, $605 becomes $665.50. Finn didn't do anything extra. The money just grew on itself, like a money snowball rolling downhill. Okay, but Finn is a patient fox. What if he just leaves the $500 in for 30 years at 10%? Simple interest, $2,000. Compound interest, $8,724. Same starting money, same rate, just letting it compound. That's the secret. Time is the ingredient. Now here's the scary part. Compound interest works both ways. If Finn owes $500 on a credit card at 20% interest and never pays it off, after 10 years, Finn owes $3,095. The same math that grows your money can also eat it. Finn is not happy about this. Finn wants a quick trick. Here it is, the rule of 72. Take 72, divide it by your interest rate, and that's how many years it takes to double your money. At 6%, your money doubles in 12 years. At 12%, just 6 years. Finn writes this on his paw. He's keeping this one. The most powerful thing about compound interest? Starting early beats starting big. Finn invests $100 a month starting at 25. His friend Rex starts at 35 with $200 a month. At 65, Finn has more, with less money, because time in the market beats money in the market, every single time. So here's what Finn wants you to do. Open a savings or investment account today, even $50. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting while you do literally anything else. Finn's gonna go take a nap now. He's earned it. And hey, if this helped, subscribe, because Finn has a lot more financial secrets where that came from.